Welcome to my Whole30 meal prep. So let me show you what I got. For breakfast, there are 5 egg scrambles, which have pork sausage, bell peppers, and spinach. And then for lunch, I have grilled chicken with some salads. There's 3 of them, and throughout the week, I'll just make the rest of leftovers from dinner. And then I made some sauces. I made homemade salsa. This is my favorite Whole30 thing, is compliant mayo, mustard, and chopped pickles. I can dip it or put it on top of my chicken, or if I water it down, it could be my salad dressing. You guys, I can live on this stuff. And then over here, I made a little salad dressing with balsamic vinegar, basil, garlic, and olive oil. And a little bit of lime juice. And then I made some vegetables, just some spicy zucchini and bell peppers and onions. That's in case one of the weeks I don't, my husband cooks 2-3 times a week, so sometimes he's not a vegetable man, he's a man, meat and potatoes, so that way he doesn't have to worry about making me a vegetable. So that's already done. And for my pre-workout snacks, I'll be doing fruit, maybe some nuts. So I just chopped some of the fruit and washed my little grapes. So that's all I got for this week. I tend not to meal prep every single thing I eat, but this is good enough to make the week easy for me. I hope you guys kick some ass. Have a great one.